fixing a crack in the plastic of your ATV, the fenders. This is the gun I got. I got it from Amazon. I think it was about 20 bucks. I don't know. Then you have all kinds of staples that come with it. And you just put them right into the ends and the tips here. And do that like this. I'm using the curly Q type. Like that. They seem to work best for going across straight cracks. So you just push it in a little bit like that. Go up to your crack. Put it across, squeeze the trigger. Gives you a little puff of smoke. Push it right in. Let go. Only takes about 10 seconds altogether. See, you can't do that. Gotta wait for it to cool down. Comes right out. And works best if you go the long way. I always put one at the end like that way. And there you go. And then they say you can break these things off with your fingers, but I find it to be more of a pain on the fingers than snipping them off. And they did supply this nippers, so they just come right off. I wouldn't worry about the little parts because this is on the underside anyway. Nobody's ever going to stick their fingers under there. This, by the way, is the back fender for 1988 Trailblazer 250 4x4. I bought it off of Facebook Marketplace for 400 bucks. Guy said it ran. It didn't run. He wanted $600. I told him I would only give him $4 because it didn't look as good as he had described it. He didn't take any pictures of the really nasty looking stuff. So forth and so forth. And there you go. Added that one there. This one up here. Cracks there. All the way up there, and another one over there. There's a couple of more on the rear fender, but I haven't taken that off yet. Next, I'm going to sand this thing down and repaint it to match the tank that we took pictures of earlier today.